Before we develop a training program, we start with needs assessment to determine if training is even necessary. Remember, not all problems can be solved with training. In fact, most organizational issues will require several different interventions, training being just one of them. If it turns out that training is necessary, the needs assessment process can also help us identify the specific needs that need to be addressed. If we are in a time crunch, a rapid needs assessment might be more appropriate. This process combines some steps or completes some of them simultaneously to save time and money without sacrificing quality. The training project in this course requires you to conduct something similar to a rapid needs assessment. Regardless of whether we use the traditional approach or the rapid approach, we need to identify the outcomes that we are expecting before we collect data so that we can choose the most appropriate data collection methods for our situation. Examples of outcomes of a needs assessment include who needs to learn, what do they need to learn, and what is the best way to teach them how to do this.